Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the basics. The client computer must have 2 monitors attached and extended desktop enabled, and both systems need RDP multimin support. Once done, open Remote Desktop Connection, MSDSC, EXE, and load or create the RDP file you'll use. Make sure to check local resources and credentials now, because you'll reuse them. You're not wasting time on fluff. You start the process by preparing the RDP and ensuring network connectivity, and next, you turn on multimin support and configure display options. In Remote Desktop Connection, expand Show Options, go to Display, and check Use All My Monitors. If you prefer the RDP file route, open it in Notepad and add Use Multimin, I1, then save. Make sure to set the remote resolution and scaling to match your local screens. Otherwise, text or windows may appear too large or small. This step ensures the remote session spans both monitors reliably. Finally, connect and check that the remote desktop spans both screens and that you can move windows across seamlessly. If things look off, sign out and back in, or reconnect after adjusting resolution. For performance issues, reduce color depth or switch to a wired LAN to cut latency. If multimin still fails, inspect server group policy for remote desktop settings and update the RDP client. Missing multimin support or outdated GPU drivers are the usual culprits. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.